In comparison to previous years, 2023 brought relative more normality. The new yacht sector saw significant price increases of between 15 and 33%. This, combined with the squeeze on living standards because of the energy prices, inflation and interest rates, brought inevitable slowdown in demand. Now, globally, the yachting sector saw a 43% decrease in sales in comparison to 2022. That said, the total monetary value of yacht sales increased, indicating the resilience of the larger yacht market. Here at Berthon, it's been a year of change for new yacht sales. We announced that we would no longer be dealers for Pearl Yachts, who of course we wish them well. However, as the saying goes, when one door closes, another door opens. We announced our new UK dealership for Solaris Power at the end of 2023, expanding on our successful relationship with their sister company, Solaris Yachts. Solaris Power was formed in 2008, born from the success of the Solaris Yachts. The Power shipyard is situated in the historic town of Forli, right in the industrial heart of Italy. They're now building between 45 and 55 boats per year, and they've gained a solid reputation for their high quality Italian styling and, most importantly, their epic seakeeping. We are very excited to bring the Solaris Power brand to the UK and look forward to showing you more of these epic power yachts in the months to come.